Bye, Papa. See you. Am I also Mama?
Bye-bye.
Why? Mama need to go.
Let's go to Sabukang.
Hello guys, welcome back to this channel guys, and for today's video we're going to Manila on the spot guys. Well, actually we knew that we need to go to Manila 3 days ago, so that time, my god, the plane ticket is very expensive guys. My god, nakabuslot bulsa because we need to go there not for shopping or fun time, but it is a very important event. Important event. No, there's something important guys that we need to go and we need to fix that, and then we will come back tomorrow. So Sofia will just stay here in home, and right now I'm preparing our things because we need to go at 3 and it's actually 2:30 right now. So we have bag here, and my husband already put his 2 formal attire for tomorrow, and then this one is for sleep / change guys. you know na. And also I have extra clothes here. I only bring one pajama from H&M. Charot! Influencer yan. So one pajama guys, and one pair of formal attire for tomorrow. You will see that on my next vlog on how it looks like, and also an extra dress for change. It's better to have extra, so we will try to fit everything in this bag, since we will take only one bag, and then one bag for me, one bag for my husband, and one bag for me. Oh my god, so I already changed guys. I will check my husband if he's already changed. Right now I still need to prepare my face, my hair, and everything, and what chuchu that I will take that it won't fit in this bag. So good luck to me. You notice that I changed my outfit because it will not suit on my favorite, see, like this business attire, because I need this tomorrow but I don't have space there, so I will just wear this on the way to Manila. Also, I already finished packing our bag. This is my skincare routine, makeup, and then also I need to prepare my hand carry bag. So this is my hand carry bag guys, and my wallet, and then shades for, you know na, for aesthetic effect, lipstick, and then lip moisturizer, and then the ball pen for tomorrow if we need to sign something, and also ready. Can you help me to attach this one?
Hindi ito sexy?
No.
Hindi like cool man.
Is it sexy one good? I will wear this one, it will cover. So my husband is very strict guys, I don't know. He's scared that I will get discovered for Miss Universe.
Tak.
Wala man na lock pa, Bluetooth ba? It's here, oh. Again. My goodness, simple instruction cannot follow. So, yes it? Thank you. Dobra, ready?
Nie.
Why?
Nie chce mi się to jechać.
I know, I also don't want it. I don't want that Sofia will left here. But we don't have choice, guys. A lot of perfume. Sundo na taglangaw ani. Mosquito will follow me, guys. So hot here in Philippines. Char! Mura tag businesswoman ani. Pack. Outfit from Shein, guys, and blazer from H&M. Charot, just use my code. Assuming. Okay, let's go to Sofia, guys, because Sofia still don't know that we will go to Manila, and I need to say bye to her, give her a hug and kiss. So yes,
Ngayon sama na.
say goodbye na to Sofia. Diba? What you will tell her?
Goodbye.
It's actually Kids Day, guys, in Poland, and we don't have present for her. What? Oh, here. Speaking of our baby. Ayun. Come here.
Okay.
Yes. You're so pretty lagi. Yeah? Oh, I need to clean Papa's shoes pa. Okay? So, can you, take over? Take over my vlog?
Czemu?
Nagkapuras-puras na. Mahuman ako. Bala ka din.
Nagkung sa pamanday ka diha.
Nag-clean sa
Czekaj.
shoes akong banang way ligo. So, wala ligo bitaw. You don't take shower. Wow! Very outfit na ko. And then my husband only kuan. Sugo ni. Diwo. Hi my baby! You will help mama my baby. Be good girl here, okay? You will stay with Nanay and Ate Shine. Be good girl, okay? When we will come back, we will have kuan gift for you. Kiss mama, babe. Kiss mama. Kiss mama, babe. Ay. Hala, no, ay. Mahal ako an, wives. Wala tayo budget. Baby! Oh my God! Musakay siya. Oh my God! Baby mo pa. Baby! Say bye-bye sa papa ko. Bye, Papa. See you.
See you tomorrow.
Go down na. Rawak na.
I will come back at 3.
Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye also, Mama. Why? Mama need to go.
No.
Love you. Sabo.
Complete to inyong papers. Let's go to Sabo ka. Oo, let's go to Sabo. Let's go.
Hacha ijan. Love? We will hug again tomorrow, okay?
Okay.
Bye-bye. Si sad, love.
Ahora sí, play.
Oh my God. And we are late, guys. And because of you.
Tak, ni.
We're always late, or they're not surprised anymore. Even on our wedding, we are late. On my graduation day. Oh my God, that's the hardest part, guys, of being parent. Di ba lang? Update, guys, if you're shocked that we are here still in the car, we are also shocked that we are still here since we are late, or the plane was just too early. What do you think?
The plane was too early. Jak always plane is late, kurwa tak dzisiaj too early, no.
No, the plane was too early, guys, and we don't have any email that it will be early, so we're late.
No, we don't fly.
So we are late, so we don't have flight at this 4:05, and we changed the plan. We will go home right now, and at 10 p.m. later we will go to Bacolod since we have ticket from Bacolod to Manila.
At 8?
No, at 8. At 6:30.
6:30. So
At
at 8 o'clock we will be
AM.
in Manila.
Yeah.
So maybe we will
Catch the time at
Maybe.
9 a.m. appointment in immigration, guys. My God, what a circus. Roller coaster ride today, guys. As in, I didn't even record the scenario earlier because my husband was stressed and I'm also stressed. Everybody is nervous.
Stress kurwa need to fix.
We're almost home. We will see Sofia again. Baby! We are back! Babu! Sofia and Topo is happy that we are back. Takship ko.
No.
Baby!
Naunsa naman mo.
Nay?
Naunsa.
Uy, happy. Uy, ay, don't bite mama. Mga tumig Bacolod, Nay.
Naunsa obras.
At 10, nag-hire mi og van, nag-rent mi og van for 9,000 pesos nga mukuha diri sa balay and then ihatod mi dito sa Bacolod. Oh, Bacolod Airport. At 10 p.m. one hitong sakyanan, ang van, and then
Maabot ra mo dito.
oo, maabot mi dito mga 4 dagway or 5?
Mo check-in na mo
4.
dito.
Oh, gani.
Kay 6 na po ang flight dito.
Oh, 6:30 a.m. ang flight dito sa Bacolod.
Kinahanglan 4:30 dito na mo.
It's better that at 5 we are usually in airport, already checked in.
Oo.
In airport at 5.
No wiem, ale
No właśnie.
2 hours before.
Ay, dali naman na kay gabi.
Mao gani, wala man pud kayo mga sakyanan. Ay, na-surprise ka na, na kami dire?
Wala naman. Palit mangunto.
Papa! Kiss mama. You happy that mama is here again? Back? Yeah! Oh! Oh, tabay. Let's go to Keto. Call Ate Shan.
Ate Shan, ayo!
Where are you? Ate Shan? Well, we're waiting for 10 p.m. later and also the van. We will just take rest and spend our time with Sofia. So that's it for today's video. I will just update you about our travel to Bacolod and our flight from Bacolod to Manila and also our tasks that we need to do in Manila. So see you in my next vlog, guys. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye!